Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can make Shadowplay record a Discord voice chat. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to Discord, voice and video, and then input and output device. You should be exact headphones or microphones that you're using. For me, is a microphone Yeti Nano and this output. And once you do that, then go back on search, and then you just need to write sound settings or simply sound, right? Sound mixer options, and then what you need to do here is to go to sound, then select more sound settings, and then make sure that playback, so it will be your output device, is set to default, the one that you're using, and your microphone is also set to default. If it's not, just select the microphone and set to default. And then what you need to do here next is to press Alt Z to open up instant replay. Make sure to turn off instant replay and then go to microphone. Then you need to go to settings and then make sure that microphone is the one that you're using, right? And it should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.